There's no doubt November in South Australia is the perfect time to be out in the garden. The flowers are blooming, the trees are lush and green. Here's some inspiration about what to do at your place this month. Planting is the best part about gardening, and there's lots to do in November. It's great to have turf in the backyard. It's cooling and great for the kids to play on, and if you get the right one, it's low maintenance. An all-good rounder is Sir Walter Buffalo. It is tough, soft and good looking. But even better, it's an Aussie bred turf that's great in full sun and shade. It doesn't need a lot of water, it's salt tolerant and it will grow near the coast. There's heaps to plant this time of year. Give the garden a splash of colour with geraniums. They're hardy and have fabulous bright flowers. Salvias are another good choice for hardy. If you're unsure what to do, just come into our store and find one of our garden experts and we'll be able to point you in the right direction. It's a great time to put in some summer veggies. Cucumbers, beans, capsicum and zucchini will thrive in the warmer weather. And here's still the time to plant potatoes, which take about 3 months to mature. All our plants, except for seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. So if you're not happy with them, bring them in with a tax invoice or your receipt and we will refund them. Harvesting your own vegetables and fruit is quite rewarding. And in November, expect to harvest some mandarin, pear, cauliflower, spring onion and even beetroot. Don't forget your maintenance in November. Make sure to trim your hedges so they don't get out of hand. It's a good time to do some lawn maintenance. Sometimes there's a dead layer in your lawn and it's called thatch. Remove that so more oxygen and moisture can reach the roots. Keep an eye out on watering, especially with pots because they can dry out really fast. November's a great time to get in the garden, so make sure you get out there this weekend. We have a great range of plants at Bunnings, so come in and see one of our expert team members. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go back to the website.